This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to customize your Snapchat apps with Snapchat Plus. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Snapchat Plus is Snapchat subscription service that gives subscriber access to exclusive feature on the social networking platform. One of these features is the ability to change the appearance of the capture button on Snapchat's camera screen and also change the app's icon. On my previous video, I've shown you how to change the Snapchat app's icon. As you can see in here, my Snapchat app's icon. Now you can just open your Snapchat if you want to customize. So you can just tap on the up left corner on your profile in here. There is an option Snapchat Plus. You can just tap on that. So in here you can enable for the Snapchat Plus page. So you can add some flair to your display name with a black star page. So when people visit or see your profile, they will see this page. And here you can change the chat wallpaper for your each friends on Snapchat, and also you can pin your friends in here like this, and you can pause view emoji. You can pick a unique emoji for each friend to see after viewing your snaps. And then so in here you can see when the friend is in the chat. You can enable this feature. You can enable the solar system, so you will now be able to check where you are in the best friend's orbit. You can enable the snap score chain. You can enable the peek a peek, and you can custom your app's themes in here. For example, maybe you can choose maybe you want to use this one. Now you can just choose on the theme like this, and so your theme on your Snapchat will turn out like this. More interesting, right? And also you can change for the capture icon. You can custom your theme in here. For the capture button, you can change it with love or flower. There's so much option that you can use. And also on Snapchat Plus, there is a Snap Streak Restore, so you can recover a recently lost Snap Streak in here. You also have Snap Streak reminders, and then here's so much feature. You can edit your AI's bio, you can custom chat colors. There's so much feature on the Snapchat Plus that you can use. So that is how to customize your Snapchat Plus. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.